Hey, what up, guys? John here with Linkswell, and I am super excited to get to introduce to you guys a brand new product called the IQ2. Some of the great things about the IQ2 is it's going to be a plug and play install, because who doesn't love a good plug and play install, which means all of your harnesses, all of your CAN bus, everything you need to integrate into the vehicle it's going to go into, we're going to give it to you. You don't have to worry about third-party parts. You're going to have to worry about whether or not it's going to interface correctly with the Maestro or Pack or whoever you're going to use. We're going to give you everything you need. Not only are we going to give you a plug and play, we're actually going to give you fit and finish OEM looking style bezels, because what is key nowadays is you want your aftermarket stereo to look factory while giving you all of the aftermarket features, which is what the IQ2 will do. It's going to give you factory looking dash bezel, going to fit in there perfectly while giving you, let me list off all of the amazing features the IQ2 is going to come with. It's going to come with front, rear, sub, and center channel RCAs, all with their own programmable crossovers, high and low pass. You're going to have a 48 band EQ. We're going to give you both a digital coax and a fiber optic Toslink output if you want to do all digital signal to your sound system. We got all of the stuff with everything you know Linkswell. We are all about going to that Google Play Store. We're all about letting you go download your favorite apps. Guess what? IQ2 is going to give you that same option. You're going to be able to download whatever favorite apps you have. SIM card capability, which means you can give it internet to have internet whenever you want to. Wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Oh, and just one more thing, because I do know we've had a lot of conversations over the years. Some folks like to keep those factory climate control buttons. Well, with the IQ2, we're going to do that for you. So we're going to give you an 11.5-inch screen, all of the features you want from a Linkswell radio, all of the features you want from an aftermarket radio, and we're going to do it plug and play that you get to keep your factory climate controls. So if you've checked out our T-Styles and you're just like, I'm just not ready to pull the trigger to have digital climate controls, IQ2 is the way to do it. These things are coming. They're going to have it for every application we make a T-Style for, plus more. If you want to know more about what we have going on, make sure you check out our website, www.linkswellinc.com. And of course, always want to follow our socials and YouTube, because we do a lot of videos there. You guys can actually see this IQ2, but this thing's hitting the market this month. It's going to be an amazing radio. If you're looking for something that's different, but looks better, has all the features, IQ2 is probably the way to go. You guys are going to want to check it out.